Okay, guys, so it's me and Dominic again. We're gonna be playing another game. I mean, actually, no. We're actually gonna be telling Google a couple of things.
We are?
Yeah? Okay. Here's one. Okay. Okay, Google. Fart.
Yeah.
According to Mayo Clinic,
Okay, Google.
flatulence.
Stop. Ay.
No, just say, can you fart? I mean, make a fart noise.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay, Google. Make a fart noise.
This is a fart.
Okay, Google. Make a burp noise.
On the website worksheets.edhelper.com, they say, the noise you make when
Okay,
you burp
Google.
is your EPIG.
Stop. Okay, Google. Can you burp?
That would be impolite.
Oh my gosh.
So take it as no.
Alright, okay. I guess we'll just keep doing fart noises from now on.
No!
No.
You can make animal noises too.
Oh yeah, alright. Okay, Google. Bark like a dog.
This is a beagle.
Okay, Google. Meow like a cat.
This is a cat.
The cat likes you guys.
Next.
Let's see. Okay, Google. Moo like a cow.
This is a cow.
Okay, Google. Tweet like a bird.
This is a seagull.
That's where you find them beach.
Yeah? Alright, I have another one. Okay, Google. Bark like a seal.
This is a seal.
Oh my goodness. This Google speaker is even funnier than the Amazon Echo.
Hey!
Which...
You can do the same thing like you did.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Yeah. So, I'll show you guys the Amazon Echo tomorrow. Because I don't have it right now. Anyways, here's one more sound. Okay, Google. Howl like a monkey.
This is a tamarin monkey.
That sounds like a bird. Okay, Google. Howl like a howler monkey.
This is a monkey.
Well, more like a seal. Or... Oh, I have a good one. Okay, Google. Roar like a lion.
This is a lion.
Whoa! Nice kitty.
So anyways, guys, those are the animal sounds that I'm gonna do for today with the Google speaker. So stay tuned for the Amazon Alexa animal sounds, okay? So I'll see you guys later.
I am sorry, Gazzy. I can help you with that.
Okay, Google. Say bye.
I'll catch you on the flip side. Whatever that means.
So that was from the Google speaker. Bye, guys.